Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. So the next case of histogram which I will discuss today is when unequal class intervals are given. Here you see the class intervals are unequal, that is 10 to 15, class interval is 5, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. So till here it is equal. Now 30 to 40 it is a difference of 10, and 40 to 60 it is a difference of 20. So here we see this class intervals, they are not equal. In this condition we have to do some numerical applications, working note, like first we need to find out adjusted frequency. Adjusted frequency is equal to, formula is frequency upon adjustment factor. Okay, because class intervals, they are not equal, so we need to adjust these frequency, and adjusted frequency, the formula is frequency, these frequencies upon adjustment factor. There is also a formula of adjustment factor, that is size of concerned class divided by size of lowest class interval. So adjustment factor is equal to size of concerned class upon size of lowest class interval. This you will understand while I will explain. So first we will find adjustment factor, because to adjust the frequency we need adjustment factor. So first we will find adjustment factor. So formula, please keep the formula in your mind, that is size of concerned class upon size of lowest class, and size of lowest class is always same. Okay, that is 5, because the lowest class interval is 5. So size of lowest class interval is 5, so always here size of lowest class interval is 5. This is same everywhere. Now we will find adjustment factor. Again the same formula, size of concerned class interval divided by size of lowest class interval, that is 5 divided by 5, it is 1. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. Then again 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Here the class interval is changed. So here the size of concerned class interval is 10. So 10 divided by size of lowest class interval, that is 5, is equal to 2. Now again here the class interval is different, that is 20. So size of concerned class interval divided by size of lowest class interval, which is 5. This formula you have to kept in mind. Adjustment factor is equal to size of concerned class divided by size of lowest class interval. So 20 divided by 5, it is 4. So this is the adjustment factor. After this, the final column is adjusted frequency. So what is the formula of adjusted frequency? Frequency upon adjustment factor, and all the adjustment factor we have already find. So now the frequency, this is the frequency divided by adjustment factor. So frequency divided by adjustment factor, you will get adjusted frequency. I hope it is clear. So 4 divided by 1, 16 divided by 1, then 24 divided by 1, 32 divided by 1, 40 divided by 2. Why? Because adjusted frequency is equal to frequency divided by adjustment factor. So here 40 divided by 2, it is 20. Then 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. So now when we plot frequencies on graph paper, we will take this adjusted frequency. We will plot adjusted frequency, not the given frequency. So now how you will plot the histogram in case of unequal class interval? I hope this is clear to everyone. This is the whole view of the page. You can see how we solve this question. It is very simple, but the steps you have to keep in mind. So first class interval is 0 to 15, 0 to 5 here, and then 0 to 5, I have taken on x-axis, but the first class interval is 10 to 15. So 10 to 15, the adjusted frequency is 4. So we will start from 10 to 15, not from 0 to 5 or 5 to 10, that is 10 to 15. So 10 to 15, it is 4. Same as we are plotting previously. Next class interval is 15 to 20 and the adjusted frequency is 16. So 15 to 20 adjusted frequency is 16. Then 20 to 25 adjusted frequency is 24. Okay. Then 25 to 30 adjusted frequency is 32. So till now we have no problem because class intervals are equal, so we can easily draw histograms, and the breadth of every histogram is equal here because class size from 10 to 15, 15 to 20, or you can say from 10 to 30, it is equal. Now we have unequal class interval from here 30 to 40. So from 30 to 40 the adjusted frequency is 20. So we will take from here to here. That is from 30 to 40 we will plot 20. It is 20. So here the breadth of histogram is much broader than these histograms, and this is showing that the histogram is of unequal class interval, because I have already told you the breadth of histogram is showing the class interval size. So these histograms are of equal class interval and this histogram is of unequal class interval, that is from 30 to 40 adjusted frequency 20. Then last is 40 to 60 adjusted frequency is 12. So from 40 to 60 this is the you can say it is the class interval of also 20. So from 40 to 60 we will plot 12. So this histogram's width is the largest because this is the class size which is of 20. This is the class size. These are the histograms of the class size of 5. This is the class interval of 10, and this last histogram is the histogram which is showing the class interval of 20. So like this you draw the histogram in case of unequal class interval. These all calculations you have to do, and moreover you can also write scale here also, like scale on y-axis. On y-axis we are taking number of workers. So this distance is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many workers? That is 4 workers, because the difference is of 4, and we are taking workers, number of workers on y-axis. So 1 centimeter is equal to 4 workers on y-axis, and on x-axis we can write 1 centimeter is equal to, we have taken wages, so 5 rupees we can write. So x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 5 wages. So like this You can write a scale on your graph paper also, and this is the whole calculation how you will plot histogram of unequal class interval. I hope it is clear to everyone, and if you have any doubt, you can please ask me. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.